Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your WordPress site into a WordPress staging site, and it's a very easy thing to do. All you need to do is you need to choose a domain that you're not using. In my case, I've chosen a domain that I'm not using, which is my own name. And what you then need to do once you've got that is you then need to go to your plugins. And in this case, what you would do you need to install the plugin called WP Staging. So to do that, you would go to Add New, and that will then bring you up to the Add New plugins. If we move the screen across so you can see, what you would then do is you would search in here, this box here, for WP Staging. Once you've got that, you can upload it, and when you've uploaded that plugin, if you then go, as you'll see in a moment, you go down to your installed plugins, and you will see, once we pull this screen down here, you will see that you've got WP Staging is in and it's activated. So now what I can do with this site, as you will be able to do with yours, is that you can actually practice on this site. You can put what you want on it. You can try plugins, you can try themes. And if you, with Gutenberg, as it's recently come out, well, say recently, it came out tail end of last year, but not many people are using it for different reasons. But on this site, I've got Gutenberg on, so I can actually play around with it and see what it's like and see whether I like it. I don't have it on any other sites of mine at the moment because it seems at first sight cumbersome and clunky. But that's what you can do with it. You can put those things onto it, and you can play around with these. With the tools that you've got that you think might look good on your site, you can play around with them and try them out here first of all. So that's how you create, or easily create, a WordPress staging site. My name's Dave Hayes. If you want to get more videos or be notified of every video upload that I do, click the subscribe button and then hit the bell button, and then you'll get notified of every video upload I do in relation to WordPress. Thanks very much for watching.